Introducing the Trace Series Architectural Linear Light by WareLight. Designed to bring flexibility to commercial interiors, the Trace Series combines a sleek, minimalist appearance with a unique remote driver system that opens the door to clean, customizable lighting layouts. Featuring an ultra-slim 1-inch wide profile and available in both 2-foot and 4-foot sizes, the Trace Series delivers a refined linear look ideal for acoustic ceiling applications, offices, retail environments, collaborative spaces, and other design-forward interiors. Each fixture is available in a black or white finish and also includes built-in selectable wattage and color temperature for added flexibility. The 2-foot model features selectable 5, 7.5, and 10-watt settings and delivers up to 1100 lumens, while the 4-foot model offers selectable 10, 15, and 20-watt settings with output up to 2300 lumens. Using the integrated switch, you can easily choose between 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K to better match the look and feel of your space. A 95-degree beam angle paired with an opal lens provides soft, uniform illumination with a clean visual appearance. Unlike traditional linear fixtures, the Trace Series utilizes a remote driver platform designed to simplify installations and create a cleaner ceiling appearance. Available in both 40-watt and 80-watt remote driver configurations, each driver can power up to 4 individual fixtures from a single remote location. This remote driver approach allows fixtures to be installed in discrete or distributed ceiling locations, while keeping the driver housed separately for a cleaner, architectural finish. The Trace Series is specifically engineered for direct T-grid ceiling installation and includes integrated T-bar mounting clips for fast, secure installation right out of the box. For additional design flexibility, optional mounting accessories are also available, including a 10-foot aircraft cable suspension canopy kit, as well as a suspended canopy kit with decorative driver cover. These fixtures are CUL listed and come backed by our 5-year warranty. With its slim architectural design, remote driver flexibility, multiple mounting configurations, and customizable lighting controls, the Trace Series delivers a modern linear lighting solution built for creative interior applications. Contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching.